Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram voice message not working problem on your iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to send or receive voice messages on Telegram but it is not working on your iPhone or other device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open your App Store and search here for Telegram and download the latest version of Telegram app in your device. And after this, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. And if it is not working properly, then change your internet connection and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device. And now you have to scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. Then go back and you have to simply open settings again and now scroll it below and you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. And now scroll it below and you have to go back to privacy and security and now scroll it below and you have to go to microphone from here, and from here you have to simply turn on the toggle for your Telegram app from here if it is off. So guys, here you can see this, if it is off you have to simply turn it on. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to connect any VPN with your device. So guys, simply open settings and now you have to tap on general, scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management, and from here connect your device with any VPN and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time as well. So for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.